Alright, well, exhaust is on. Sounds much better. Took care of a rattle that was rattling under the car, that's gone. And my brother mentioned that the steering wheel felt a little funny. Well, I noticed the power steering was low. So, low, it was empty. So I put a little bit in, and right now it's all on the ground. The return line blew off, which it shouldn't have, because there shouldn't be any pressure on that, but it came off, and we pumped a half a quart of oil, power steering fluid, of course, the best stuff money can buy, that we sucked out of an old 727 trans, ran it through a coffee filter. But anyways, so I got to change the return line. It's like one step forward, two steps back, okay? But this is what it's like trying to take care of someone else's project. Like I said earlier, the main thing was the car. We have another motor, we have another trans, we have everything it takes to put one of these together, but I'd sure like to see this thing going with the motor that's in it. It's sounding pretty good. We got a one plug that ain't quite firing right, so we got to find out if it's the electronic ignition when the coil smoked. In the first film, I don't know if it hurt the little miniature circuit board, printed board, pickup, module, whatever you want to call that stuff inside that top dollar distributor. If anybody out there's got a factory electronic 440 distributor, please get a hold of us at Zappa Garage. Leave a comment. All right. I would sure like to put a factory distributor back in this thing. All right, guys, that's it. Just another day at Zappa's Garage. It's cold as, well, it's pretty cold out there, you know, broomstick kind of thing. Anyways, the sun's out, it's cold, we're working on a Mopar and another Mopar. You notice you Chevy guys, we don't work on many Chevys. You know, they're always trying to keep them out. You know, but the Mopars, they make us work for the pleasure they give us. All right, guys, take care.
All right, we're trying to figure out exactly when we get to it what color we're going to paint this thing. About some comments and some suggestions from you guys. We really appreciate it. Thank you.